Welcome to this tutorial on how to create and manage a Gnosis-safe multi-signature wallet on Conflux eSpace. In today's video, we'll begin with an overview of what a multi-signature wallet is and why it's a great tool for securing digital assets. Following that, we'll go through a step-by-step guide on creating and using a Gnosis-safe multi-signature wallet on Conflux eSpace. Multi-signature wallets are a key element in the world of digital currencies, providing a secure way to manage digital assets on the blockchain. Before we dive into the creation process, let's understand what a multi-signature wallet is. A multi-signature wallet, also known as a multisig wallet, is a digital wallet designed to enhance asset management security. It allows for multi-signature functionality, meaning multiple parties must approve a transaction before it's executed. This adds an extra layer of security, making it ideal for teams and organizations managing funds collectively. Multisig wallets play a crucial role in asset management within the blockchain ecosystem. They not only secure your assets against unauthorized access, but also provide a structured approach to managing transactions, which is invaluable for both individual and collaborative asset management. You might wonder, why should I use a multisig wallet? Here are some compelling reasons. Enhanced security. Multi-signature functionality means higher security for your assets. Decentralized control. Distribute transaction approval power among multiple stakeholders. Efficiency and organization. Manage and execute transactions seamlessly with an added layer of auditability and control. Accessibility. Easy access to your assets on the Conflux network with the flexibility to set up and manage your wallet according to your specific needs. Now let's walk through the process of creating your safe wallet on Conflux eSpace step by step. Requirements. First, ensure you have a Conflux eSpace compatible wallet such as Fluent or MetaMask with some CFX in it for the transaction fees. Using your web browser, navigate to the Conflux Gnosis Safe Wallet site to get started. Step 1. Network configuration. Verify you're on the correct network configuration for Conflux eSpace within your wallet. Step 2. Wallet connection. Connect your wallet. Upon successful connection, you'll see your wallet's details in the top left corner of the screen, confirming that the wallet is ready for the next steps. Step 3. Creating an account. Select Continue with MetaMask or your respective wallet to proceed. You'll be directed to a page titled Create New Safe Account. Here, input the desired name for your new safe wallet and click Next. Step 4. Adding owners. Click on Add New Owner to add the wallet addresses you wish. For demonstration purposes, we'll add 2 owners in this tutorial. Then select how many owners must confirm a transaction in the threshold section before proceeding and click Next. Step 5. Verification and confirmation. Carefully review the information you've provided. If everything checks out, click Next, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Conclude the setup by clicking on Start Using Safe Wallet. Your safe wallet is now ready to use. Now let's see how to use your safe wallet. Receiving tokens into your safe wallet is straightforward. Let's go through how to do it. Step 1. Receiving tokens. Click the Receive button. A pop-up will display your wallet's details, including a QR code and the wallet address for easy sharing. Step 2. Sending tokens to your wallet. From your sending wallet, initiate the transfer to your safe wallet's address. Ensure the address starts with 0x, input the amount, and then proceed with Next and Confirm. The received amount will shortly reflect in your safe wallet. Sending tokens from your safe wallet involves a few more steps, especially considering the multi-signature aspect. Step 1. Sending tokens. Initiate the process by clicking on Send and selecting the asset you wish to transfer, for example, CFX tokens. Step 2. Transaction details. Enter the recipient's address and the amount. After reviewing the transaction details, click on Next, then Sign to proceed. Step 3. Signatures and confirmation. sign the transaction in your wallet. If your safe wallet requires multiple signatures, log in with another owner's wallet to approve the pending transaction. Review, execute with execute if necessary, and then confirm the final details in your wallet. Upon completion, the transaction will be processed and all related details will be available in the associated wallets. Before we conclude, we encourage you to explore further resources on our developer portal. Visit our documentation for more in-depth contents and guides. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on creating and managing a safe wallet on the Conflux network. For any questions or further discussion, don't hesitate to join our community and contact us.